Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A51 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the countdown duration. Let's tap. As you can see, we've got three different options. We've got the off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds. As you can see, it will be immediately notified right here. And after getting back to the camera, you can see that unfortunately we do not have any kind of icon which will show us that we've got the timer set. But that's okay, we can be surprised. So let's tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course you can always remove or turn off the countdown. Simply tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.